Good morning, everyone. Taking a look at Oscar Health again today. Downgrades on downgrades on downgrades. Non-stop downgrades this year. Wall Street does not want you to like this stock. A total of 5 downgrades from UBS, Wells Fargo, Raymond James. They want this thing to crash. 16% short float. Stock sitting at $15. Looks like in the past year it's just been hovering around $16. Jumped up to $22. Currently only going for a $3.9 billion valuation year to date. Only up 13%. Let's take a look at insiders and institutions. Check this out. We're pretty much at an all-time high for institutions holding this stock. Don't forget, we also have huge insider buying. Multiple directors, co-founder and vice chairman Josh Kushner have all been purchasing this stock around the range of $13 to $16. If the insiders are buying, that is good news. And these guys are spending millions to repurchase these shares. I don't think any of these guys want to lose money. They're buying it for a reason. But today, $15.34, Oscar Health, $3.9 billion valuation. Let's take a look at the balance sheet. Are they going to be okay? Take a look at this previous video right here. We went through the cash flows of the business. Today, let's go through the balance sheets straight to the total assets. As you could see from 2019, we're going to take a look at the past 5 years. As you could see, starting in 2019, we're just going to start in 2019. From 2019 to the last report, present day, total assets has grown from 1.3 billion all the way to 5.8 billion. That is some huge growth. There's a little pullback in 2023, a little contraction. This is when Oscar Health had to scale back a little bit on the business. They scaled back on growth and they exited unprofitable markets they were serving in and reduced policy volumes just so they could improve profitability in the long run. And they are back to growth in the 2024-2025 year. Let's go ahead and jump down to total liabilities. One of the most important things you should look at is their long-term debt. For the past 4 years is minimal. They've only had $300 million in long-term debt for the past 4 years. Compare that to the total investments they have, $2.6 billion in total investments and also $2.2 billion in cash alone. That greatly outweighs the long-term debt they are holding. So we don't have to worry about long-term debt. This company is going nowhere. They are not going bankrupt anytime soon. Most of the liabilities are coming from unpaid claims and insurance and annuity liabilities. So these are all insurance related. These will always grow as membership grows and premiums are expanding. Starting in 2022, we start seeing a jump in their total liabilities from 1.9 billion to 3.6 billion. This is driven by higher insurance obligations. So as you could see, the claims payable nearly doubled from 2021. And the insurance and annuity liabilities also pretty much doubled. These are all soaring because of enrollment growth for Oscar Health. They have more members, but this is a good thing because in the long run, this increases their network effect. But again, one of the main things you should look at is the fluctuations in long-term debt, and it has not moved since 2022. Looks like they are pretty self-sustained right now. Lastly, let's go down to total share count to see if there's any dilution, and there is not much dilution. Full-time employees has also been increasing. And lastly, the premiums they are collecting from their members, they are investing that in the markets, up to 2.6 billion in total investments. Again, they are holding to 2.2 billion in cash. From these two alone, total investments and cash and equivalents, that's over 4.8 billion, while the company is currently selling for only 3.9 billion. Total investments and cash alone already exceeds the total market cap for Oscar Health. So this company is definitely undervalued just by looking at those investments in cash. But again, guys, lots of downgrades. Wall Street does not want you to like this stock, but in the background, this is a strong, powerful healthcare company. Institutions are piling on, but they are trying to take your shares. Don't let them take your shares. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But yeah, just a quick look at the balance sheet. Nothing too specific, too detailed, but let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching this quick one, and we'll see you on the next one. All right.